Hi friends and subscribers, this is Lahu Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on developing the functionality of developing a CRUD application using PHP, jQuery and Ajax. Okay, so in my last video I successfully managed to bring all the records from the database and displayed here on this web page. Okay, so in this video I will go for designing the functionality of weaving specific user details. Whenever I click on this icon, I should get the details of this specific user. Okay, if suppose I click on this icon, then I will see only the details of that selected user. Okay, it's the user image and then the name of that user, email ID and gender. Okay, so this we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so in my last video I have discussed in my view.php file, as you can see here, this data I was passing from this view.php to index.php file here. Okay, so now when I pass this data, in this data I was passing the ID. Okay, so as you can see, I will just right click on this row, and when I click on inspect, okay, I will click on this, I will click on right click on this icon and click on inspect. Then you will see there is a data value S7, which is the ID of that record. Okay, so I'm passing the ID with each of this row. Okay, I'm passing the ID of this record with each of this row. Okay, so that's what ID tells here. Okay, so I'm using this ID to get the specific details of that user. Okay, so I'm passing this ID for viewing the user details, for editing the user details and also deleting the user details. Okay, first I need to go to index.php file. Okay, and here we need to create a model. Okay, so here I have created that model. Okay, so from here till this model body, okay, you just need to copy the same thing whatever you have written here. Okay, so whatever code you had written at the time of adding the user, the same piece of code from here till model body, you just need to write the same thing. Okay, see, there is a div with a class of model, and to this I have given an ID as view user model. Okay, and this same ID you need to use in your view in view.php. Okay, as you can see here, I have given ID, same ID view user model as data target. Okay, so whenever I'll be clicking on this link, okay, this icon, I have linked the ID of this model. That's why I can able to see this model the moment when I click on this icon. Okay, and then we have a model body. Inside that model body I have created a table. Okay, so now in this table I'm displaying the data of that user. Whichever user I select, the data, that user's data I'll be displaying inside this model. Okay, so I'm displaying this information in the table. Okay, so that's what table. So I have given it an ID view username. I have given ID for email as view email. I have given ID for the gender as view gender. Okay, so these IDs, view user file, view username, view email, view gender, these IDs I'm using inside my jQuery code. Okay, so to this I will come later on. Okay, so now here I have created a table. In this table I am displaying the information of the selected user. Okay, and then there is a model footer. In the model footer I have created a button, okay, to close, and then also I have used an on click event to reload the page the moment when I close this model. Okay, now the next one is jQuery part. Okay, so the moment when I click on this eye icon, I will be represented with this div, and at that moment I need to fetch the details of that selected user based on the ID, based on this ID, and I need to display that information here in this model. Okay, so for displaying this information, I need to send an AJAX request to the server to get the data of the selected user and return it to this index.php. Okay, so that's what I have done here. Okay, next, okay, so I have used an on-click event and I have passed an ID view. Okay, so in this view.php I have given this link an ID as view. Okay, so I have passed an ID. I have get the ID of that record, and then I'm making an AJAX request to this view user.php. Once I click on this icon, an AJAX request will get made to view user.php file, and an ID of that selected record will get passed, okay, with the request, and here I will be receiving that ID. Okay, and then with the help of this ID, I'm writing down an SQL query to select the data of specific ID. Okay, so now then I'm executing that query, and then I'm fetching the data from the table and storing that data in the form of an array. Okay, and then I'm converting the data in JSON. I'm encoding that data into JSON, and then I'm returning that data to index.php here. Okay, so now here, as you can see, I'm getting an JSON data. Okay, data type is JSON. So once I get the data, okay, here you will see, I will just comment it out. Okay, data dot user file. Okay, save it. Okay, so now let me just refresh, and when I click on it, you will see the user file, the path of the image will get returned. Okay, and if I change it to username, then I will get the name of that user. Okay, and if I change it to email, then I will get the email of that user. Okay, so this data I'm getting from the view user.php file. So now I need to display these details in the form, in this table. Okay, in this way I need to display the data, whatever data I'm collecting from the server view user.php. I need to send that data, I need to pass that data in this table. Okay, and how I'm going to do that? I can do that with the help of these IDs. Okay, I have assigned the IDs to these specific table data sections, and with this ID I'm going to display the data. I'm going to refer these IDs to display the information. Okay, so here in this success function, I'm getting the data of the selected user, which is returned from this view user.php file in the form of JSON. So here I'm referencing the table. Okay, I'm referencing the table with the help of these IDs to display the data. Okay, so now here I have created an image tag, and I have given it a width as 100 pixel and height 100 pixel, and I have tried to bring that image in the center of the row. Okay, and then I have given it a border radius as 50%. Okay, and then I'm to the image, to the source attribute of the image, I'm passing the URL. Okay, so then I'm appending that URL to the ID which I have assigned to this section. Okay, as you can see, this is the ID which I have assigned here, and here inside this I'm displaying the image. That's why I have set an ID here. Okay, and then username I'm assigning to here username with the help of this ID. Okay, view username like this. With the help of these IDs, view username, view email, view gender, I'm passing the information which I extracted from the MySQL table. Okay, so here, so this is how we can get the data of some specific user whenever I click on any record. Okay, so whenever I click on that I icon, an on click event will get triggered, which makes an AJAX request, which makes an post AJAX request to view user.php along with sending the ID of that record to view user.php file to get the data of the selected user. Okay, so once I get the data of that selected user with the help of its ID, then I'm sending that data again here in this view. Okay, with the help of these IDs. Okay, view user file and view username. Okay, so this is how we can fetch the data of specific user to view. Okay, so that's all for this video. So in this video we saw how we can view the data of specific user using AJAX and jQuery. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.